Today's practice is meditation that will give you answers to any questions that you may have in life. And let's start this exercise by finding comfortable position, lying on your back in your mat. Make sure that your body is comfortable. Let your feet open outward a little. Make sure that your shoulder blades are resting on your mat and that you don't have any tension in your body while lying here. Then close your eyes. And as you inhale, feel your body broaden from within. As you exhale, feel yourself surrender to all your life, your worries and your concerns. Now bring your attention to above your head. Imagine bright light above your head. And as you are breathing, that light is getting brighter and brighter. As you inhale, expand the white light from the crown of your head to around your head. Let that light fill up the area above you. Then feel the light entering you, your head, your torso, your whole body. Let yourself become one with the light. You are the light, and the light is in you. Now bring your attention to an everyday concern or question you may have. Something that you are carrying with you. Something that you would like a resolution, or you would simply like to know the answer to. Now seal the question in your heart. Then, in your mind's eye, see yourself stand up and start to walk down a forest path. Eventually, you arrive at a large wooden door. Push the door open and go inside. Now look around you. You see many shelves holding rolled papers. Some of them are tied with ribbon. Some are old. Some are weathered. Some of them are tightly rolled, and some of them are loosely bound. Now turn around inside the room. And for a moment, just scan the rolls. And then you see that one of them is for you. It has your name on it. It has the answer you need. Pick up your roll, open it, and read the message. When you have read the message, roll the paper up and place it back where you took it. And when you are ready, show gratitude for the message that you just read and leave the room. Walk back to this room. See your body lying on the floor. Feel your breath in your body. Feel your body in the room. Start to make small movements. Feel yourself grounded, at ease, and knowing that you have the answers you need right here in your heart. Continue on moving, maybe stretching yourself. Becoming more aware of right here, right now. And when you feel that you are ready, you can start opening your eyes and continue on with your day. Namaste.